Bitcoin is doing it again. But before you act, my friend, you need to watch this. What I'm talking about, make sure to watch that video from the start till the end without skipping any part of that video. There is very important information, and if you miss it, you are going to be hurted, my friend. As you see, guys, the daily candle here, it finished. Bitcoin doing exactly like how us we told you yesterday. You remember what me I told you? I told you that red candle here, it indicating the market is going to dump more. And today the market gave us here a daily red candle. That bad, guys. The view now, either the Bitcoin going to come back again to that zone here, as we tell you that before, to that 90k, because there is no volume to push it more higher, and even there is no volume to push it down. By the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 300 likes. Guys, please, we want your support. Exactly in that video, we want it to reach to 300 likes. So if you haven't smashed that like button now, I want you to disaster it now. Please go now. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also yesterday we enter a short. Till that time we still holding our short. It hasn't hitting for us the first take profit, so also we still waiting. So if you are interested in those type of signals, the link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. Click at join that one and that one. Finish payment process inside Patreon. There is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, my friend, to join us, you can text me here in Patreon and we're going to solve your problem. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the daily candle here, it's indicating continuation pattern here. And may I tell you that I told you maybe Bitcoin going to fall down again to that 91k, because at this time we don't got nothing here telling us the market is going to go more higher. So as we still waiting the coming days what they are going to tell us. In general, guys, it's look bad for Bitcoin unless if the Bitcoin came and breaking for us that last high here. If that happen, we're going to be very happy. If it doesn't and the Bitcoin fall down and breaking for us that 91k, look at it, guys, how many times we touch it here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and here the sixth time. Let's see if it's going to touch it this time and it's going to hold. So even that one we need to be careful about it, guys. Did my view Bitcoin is going to fall down to 91k? I don't think so, because if we came here and we're looking at those moving averages, what they're telling us, we still have here 200 moving average at 94k. That's my view personally. Bitcoin is going to fall down to 94k exactly here. Is going to touch it second time, and from here maybe we're going to reverse upward, but we are going to 94k, guys. And after that we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days, because if you remember what me I told you here based on Bollinger Band, what me I told you, guys, told is going to happen same like how it happened here, and that's what's happening till now here. Now we need to wait if the lower of that Bollinger Band is going to hold on to push the Bitcoin from here to above to 107k, because the top of the Bollinger Band at this time when also recording that video is it exactly at 107,422. Let's see if the Bitcoin from the lower of Bollinger Band is going to go to that 170k. That's possible, guys. How we going to catch it? We go to lower time frames and we see if we got any price action there. But the bad news here, Bitcoin after it fall down and breaking the 20 and the 50 moving average, now it go back below the 50 moving average. So the next stop is it down here, the 100 moving average exactly at 94,760. And after that we're going to see if the Bitcoin going to give us another entry or no. So also we still waiting. People that are with me also already we got a shot and we need to go with the market till the end. So I think I explained everything to you here. So now for long term, because I know a lot of people they are going to ask me that question. For long term at this time it's still very early for you to buy more Bitcoin. Remember that, guys. At this time, don't buy Bitcoin. Just save till the right moment came to buy Bitcoin cheaper. I'm talking here about long term. If you want to hold it for long term and you don't care any cycle and those things, you can DCA, because even if it dump, you go into DCA more. But if you are someone who buy them from the top, who buy them from the low of the cycle and you're sitting in the top, at this time, us, we are closer to the top of this cycle. So you need to be careful, my friends. I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF, liquidity heat map, and the coming news. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys. That the Bitcoin ETF. Today what happened? As you see it, guys, today it's been as if the market is closed. There is no buying of those ETF. As you see it, all of them zeros here. That means even the inflow outflow, it's being zero today. If we're looking down at our friend here, that yesterday what happened? BlackRock, they bought 2.46 Bitcoin and they turned it as an inflow day 3.36k. If that much of Bitcoin being bought, guys, what that going to do to the market? We're going to jump very hard, but where is that volume going? I think I explained everything to you guys here. Now let's go into see liquidity heat map, because there is a lot of things to show you there. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. That's the liquidity heat map. Liquidity heat map, it used to be some stops here. Market fall down and liquidated them. Now what the view? Did the Bitcoin from here going to fall down more? Because we still have some stops here. Exactly at material the level. Exact at 95,382. Let's see what's going to happen. Or the Bitcoin from here going to come back above, because now if you're looking with me, we've got a lot of stops here. My view personally, Bitcoin is going to come back above to liquidate those ones, guys, because there is no volume and market makers, they're doing whatever they want those days. That's why me, I think the Bitcoin is going to come back again to above. Now if we want to see more clear picture, let's go into the weekly. Here in the weekly, guys, we have some stops here, but the majority of stops, they still above here. So what the view? Those ones, they are very close. I think the market is going to fall down to liquidate those ones, they are close. Then after that, it's going to go above to liquidate all those ones above here. So that's my view personally, guys. Now let's go into see coming news of today. So let's go in there to see it. Coming news of today, guys, we don't got something special today. As you see it here, that the news we got today, we got Bank of England interest rate decision. That one, it doesn't affect cryptocurrency. Then we got initial jobless claim. And may I tell you that in the start of the week, the most important day is it Friday. Down here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day here to tell you about fair and greed index here. Look at it, guys. If we're looking here at US stocks or US indices, Nasdaq closed the day green, SP 500 closed the day green, Dow Jones same thing. So for stock market, everything looking great. Our friend down here, VIX or fair and greed index, scan isn't fair, it's neutral, guys. There is nothing to be worried about. Just hold till the right time. We haven't top up or we haven't bottom, so everything's still looking normal. As we've been talking about that today, everything's still looking normal. There is nothing to be worried about. And that way us every time, guys, we're telling you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel, because when it's going to touch either 20 or 12, we tell it to you here in that channel. So make sure to turn the bell notification on to receive all the new update. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, that the Bitcoin here in 12 hours. Bitcoin here in 12 hours, it's still doing like how us we told you. We told you we are going to fall down again to touch that 200 moving average here exactly at 94k. And that's what it's doing, guys. Bitcoin is still falling down here. Yes, we got now a green candle. It's showing to us maybe the market is going to reverse. But look at it, guys. A green candle followed by a red candle. That's why me are thinking we are going to fall down here. And me I told you there is no no volume always if we came from those moving averages either above or down here. At this time us in the top we got the 50 and the 100, and below we got the 200, so we need to break one side. That's my view, guys. Levels, you need to look at them closer today. Let me show it to you. You got that level here above 98k, you got that one here 95,486, and we got that one down here 9808, plus we got that one above 102,603. So those was the levels. You need to look close at them, guys. Any level it's being touched, you need to take question from it what's going to happen in the coming hours. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see the XRP or Ripple. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. We started here in the Ripple in daily. As I told you yesterday, it gave us here a continuation pattern. Today daily candle is closed. It gave us here a red candle. What that indicating? Also we are falling down to the 2.0 here exactly at the 100 moving average. That meant what that meant to you. XRP is going to fall down more. It is going to touch in the daily the 100 moving average, and after that you can see if there is an entry or no. If you're looking here in the daily, guys, here in the daily, guys, Bollinger Band, it started squeezing here. What that telling us? That means there is more dump till we touch in here, and after that we're going to see what's going to happen. If we go in from daily to 4 hours to see more clear picture, let me show you. Here in 4 hours, guys, we tell it to you, and yesterday we told you, look at the 20 moving average, how it's reacting here, like a very stronger resistance from the top. Look at it. Every time XRP came and touches, it fall down. You see it, guys? So now what the view? At this time there is nothing, guys. The only things that show it to you in yesterday, let me take it off those ones. I told you, can you do something like that? If the XRP came and breaking above here, you can catch along. For sure, I'll show you that one here. I tell it to you, got here a small, a double top here, and when it's breaking here, will have you catch a short. If you enter, will have you make some money today. That what the XRP telling you till now, guys. At this time, the view of XRP, there is more dump. We haven't bottom yet, and you need to wait till it's going to bottom. That's the right time for you to buy. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go in to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum, after it touching here that very stronger uptrend we show you in the weekly. Now it try to give us here a price action like that. If it give us here a double bottom and breaking the neckline, we're going to catch along. But if you remember what I told you here about Ethereum, let me show you. You came here to those moving averages, guys. The Ethereum, it's breaking for you the 20 moving average here. I'm talking about 4 hours. What that meant to you? That meant it's breaking for you the downtrend we used to be here. That one here is getting broke, guys. It's telling us the Ethereum is going to go to touch here the 50 moving average exactly at 3012. Exactly here. And after that, you're going to see what's going to happen. If it's going to dump again or it's going to continue more upward. That's my view personally, guys. But if you're going from 4 hours to daily, here in the daily, what it's telling you? It's telling you us we're still in a downtrend, guys. You see it or no? So it might that one to come back to touch that 200 moving average, and after that to give us another low. Even that one it's possible, because if you remember what I show you here in the daily, I came I do like that, and low here I came I do like that. I told you also we got here in the daily in the Ethereum a down channel. We touched the lower of it here, and I told you there is no doubt maybe the Ethereum is going to go to touch even the top of that down channel, and after that to give us another low. So even that one it's possible, guys. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go in to see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, after it touching here extreme oversold area, people there with me also we buying from that level, but me I haven't buy, and I give you the reason why, because in daily also we still below the 200 moving average. And no, maybe there is a correction going to happen, but also we still waiting, guys, what's going to happen in the coming days. Yes, if you want to buy for long term and you don't care about nothing, you can, but me, as I told you, me expectation only the Ethereum going to come back to that level here exactly of 3000. Then after that it's going to give us another low. That's my view personally, because if you look in here at our indicator, it's telling us Also we still here in a level where is only bears who controlling. That's what also we waiting, guys. I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, the Bitcoin is still doing exactly like how us we told you before. We told you like that. We got here like a megaphone here. You can make it even a down channel. If you want to make it a down channel, you came to the tail of that candle here and you do it here like a down channel like that. We fall down, we touch it here. My view personally either is going to fall down to touch the lower here or from here is going to come back again. But if you focus it with me, guys, what me I told you here. I told you look at it low, give us here another high, another low, lower than the previous one, give us here a high. So maybe now it's going to give us another low, lower than that level here. So what that indicating, guys, Bitcoin is still in a downtrend unless if we saw something from the market telling us that downtrend change. And I show you how to catch it. I told you waiting. If the Bitcoin going to give you here a big head and shoulder here, that's another story. We're going to enter a long. If that doesn't happen, there is no long, guys. At this time here in Bitcoin, also we still in a downtrend. There is nothing is changed, guys. I think I explained everything. Another very important thing here, guys. Let me show it to you in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Is it that one here? Look at that. Do you see those moving averages? What they're telling you, guys? Look at them. Also, we are in a downtrend, guys. Even if you see a correction happen like that, you can catch another short from it. That's what us we are now, guys. Bitcoin now in 4 hours, it's staying here in a downtrend. There is nothing change here. Even here, if you came to smaller time frames, we're still in a down channel, guys. I think I explained everything to you, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator. What it's saying today in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, it's telling us we're staying here in a place where it's all the bears they controlling. Yes or no? So what that telling us we're staying here in a downtrend. There is nothing changed. Unless if that happen, guys. Unless if the Bitcoin came and break in here, that's another story. If that doesn't happen, there is no entry long and we need to wait till the right time. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see Bitcoin do it today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here we got a lot of things to discuss here. Here you remember what me I show you in yesterday video. I do like that and I told you guys if the Bitcoin break in here, you need to enter a short. It's going to give you here a big head and shoulder like that. That happened, guys, or no? Yes, it happened here. People there with me also already we got a short. Till now it hasn't hit for us the first take profit because the first take profit of us is it exactly here. And look at it, it was very close to it, and even today it was very close to it. So we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours. For long I told you we got here that down channel here or that flag here. Yes or no? Not the flag I show you, guys. I told you if it's getting broke above, we need to enter along, guys. Till now it doesn't break in above and it doesn't break in down, so also we're still waiting. You can even make something else here. You can come and do something like that and like that, guys, like a triangle here, and you wait it. If it's getting broke above, you can catch along. If it's getting broke down here, you can go more short with it. That's what you need to catch, guys. But if it's getting broke that one here, if it's getting broke here, where you need to be the take profit of you, let me show you, guys. You need to come and to do it like that. You came to the tail here, the one, and you do it like that, guys. When it touch that downtrend here, you need to take profit because you don't know what's going to happen, guys. It might Bitcoin from here to go more higher, or it might we are just going to touch it then after to dump again. So me I show you guys everything. Those was the missing the entry, that triangle here, that one here. Look at it, where is going to be broke. If it's broken above, treat it like a flag, like I was showing you in yesterday video. If it's getting broke down here, treat it like it's breaking the lower of that downtrend, and Bitcoin is going to fall down again till it will touch that low here. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, that one here is it at the extreme overbought area. That one here, guys, as you see it, is it at the extreme oversold area. So technically we need to look into enter along, but also we don't focus about that one. Also we focus about that one down here. That one one he like to stay in a place where is the bears the controlling. That way also we don't looking to enter along. We still waiting. Plus we got here the down channel, guys. The one here. Also we still waiting it what the Bitcoin going to do in it. We touch the top of the down channel. Now the view of us, the Bitcoin is going to fall down to touch the lower of it. And after that we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours, guys. So I think I explained everything. If you want exactly when also we enter and where we put in stop loss and take profit, you can join our VIP Discord if you are interested. Of course, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, that's it for that video, and please guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash the like button and to write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. In another video, guys. Bye for now.